Hey. G'day. Hope you're doing really well. Hope you're having a fantastic Sunday day today. Hey, I just wanted to share something real quick with you. This is something that I've been thinking about. FBA versus FBM. It's a common question. We often get asked this, what do I do? Do I store the product at the warehouse in Amazon warehouse? Do I get them to send it out to my customers? Or should I do it? Should I do FBM, fulfilled by merchant, and send it out myself? And let me just let you in on a secret here, right? This is something that I learned quite a long time ago. You got to treat this like a business, and I say that with the massive amount of respect, right? You can't be playing small. You can't be thinking small. If you're thinking, I'm going to send this out from my house, I'm going to store 50 units or 100 units in my garage, and as orders come in, I'm going to send it out myself. It's not really going to be the best way moving forward, right? It's not really going to help you grow, and it's kind of thinking small in a way as well. So really, just have a think about this, right? FBA is basically you're sending it to the Amazon warehouse, and as orders come in, they send it out to your customers. Now that's pretty decent, right? It enables you to what we call scale, and with scaling, I mean, you can have 500 orders a day, 1,000 orders a day. You can have 10,000 orders a day, right? Wouldn't that be nice? 10,000 orders a day. And Amazon will send that out. You're not racing around to Australia Post. You're not trying to figure out how the heck am I gonna organize all this. You don't have to do any of that, which is great, right? But think of this: if you're doing FBM, which is Amazon don't store it, okay, you're storing it, right? Either you or somebody else or warehouse, right? Not Amazon though. Man, you've got to pick it, you've got to pack it, you've got to ship it, you've got to track it, right? Customers like tracking. Hey, I order something, I want a tracking number. I want to see exactly where it is. It's like an Uber. I want to see the Uber on its way delivering my package to me. So, customer service. If they ain't got their package in 24 hours, they're on the phone. They're not calling Amazon, they're calling you. All right, get that phone handy. That's what FBM's like. So is it something that you want to take on? Is it thinking small? Because the cost of selling via FBA is kind of relative, really. It's always. I think FBA is good because it enables you also for more opportunity to win the buy box, Prime Day eligibility. It gives you a whole bunch of other really good advantages. Instant advertising as well, which helps. But guys, I just want to share this with you. Play big, think big, play big, and it is still about testing the market. But just FBM. Have a think about it. FBM versus FBA. All right. Have a great day. Stay safe. Talk to you real soon. Bye for now. If you are wanting to get more information on some of the live trainings that we do, some of the free online trainings that we do on our members area, check us out. The website is below this link. I would love to have a chat with you, and I'd love to help you. I'd love to answer your questions. If you have product ideas, you can sort of put those through as well, and we can sort of discuss that. But hey, I'm here for you. I wish you the best on your Amazon journey. Hit me up if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you later. Have a great day. Bye for now. See ya. Enjoy yourself. Are you based in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon? I want to talk to you about selling on Amazon. I want to talk to you about how to get started. What's your first 2 or 3 products going to be? The number one reason people say they want to start on Amazon is because of freedom. Freedom to work for themselves, freedom from their boss. They want to spend more time with their family. They want to spend more time with their kids. They want to finally live a life on their own terms. I really want to mentor you. I want to help you find the products, buy the products, fund the products, how much to pay for your products, how to start your own brand and sell your own brand on Amazon, how to find suppliers, how to get the best deals, how to launch and sell your products on Amazon, and how to scale. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, should get started today and find out more on how we can work together.